Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ilya. In this video, we'll introduce the basic concepts of mental welding, common types of welding processes, suitable materials for welding, and how to avoid deformation during mental welding. What is the mental welding? Welding is a technique that joins metal sheets together by melting them with high temperatures or pressure. The base metal, the metal being welded, and the filler material like welding wire or electrode form a molten pool, and the heat source during welding, causing a strong joint after cooling. Welding, one of the core technologies for precision metal fabrication, is widely used in car manufacturing, electronic devices, aerospace, etc. Common types of metal welding. Laser welding. High-energy laser beams focus directly on the metal to melt it. This non-contact welding method can join stainless steel, aluminum alloy, copper, and other metals. Pros: minimal heat-affected zone, low deformation, suitable for thin sheets. Cons: high equipment cost, strict requirements for assembly gaps. TIG welding, using a tungsten electrode to generate electric arc and argon gas to protect the molten pool. Filler wire is usually added manually or automatically. It can weld non-ferrous metals like aluminum, titanium, and magnesium. Pros: beautiful welds, no spatter, suitable for high surface quality, controllable heat input, reduce deformation risk. Cons: slow welding speed, low efficiency, difficult to operate, requires high skill level from welders. MIG welding, continuous wire feeding acts as electrode. Use inert gas like argon to protect the molten pool. It's suitable for materials like stainless steel and aluminum alloy. Pros: fast welding speed, suitable for medium sink planes. High automotion, easy to operate. Cons: high cost of protective gas, more spatter, may need post-weld cleaning. Carbon dioxide welding. Carbon dioxide is used as protective gas, and the welding wire serves as both the electrode and filler material. It's suitable for welding carbon steel and low alloy steel. Pros: low cost, high efficiency, can weld sink planes, simple equipment, easy to operate. Cons: not suitable for non-ferrous metals with high welding quality, requirements like stainless steel, aluminum. Summary table of 4 welding types. Suitable metals for welding. Carbon steel, low cost, high stress, suitable for carbon oxide welding and laser welding, commonly used in car bodies. Stainless steel, strong corrosion resistance, laser welding and TIG welding can maintain its surface finish, widely used in food equipment. Aluminum alloy, preferred for heavyweight applications, requires TIG or MIG welding to avoid oxidation defects. Copper and copper alloys, high thermal conductivity, requires high power laser welding or TIG welding. How to avoid deformation during metal welding? Control heat input. Use low current, short arc welding like TIG welding to reduce heat accumulation. For these sheets, prioritize laser welding or MIG welding. Optimize welding sequence. Segmental welding is to avoid continuous long seams. Weld symmetrically from the center to both sides to balance stress. Reduce number of welding passes. Single pass welding instead of multi-pass welding to lower the risk of material shrinkage. Post-weld treatment. Use hammering to release residual stress. Locally hit the deformed area for correction. Zintilon's manufacturing capabilities. Zintilon is a one-stop precision parts manufacturer. We offer high-precision CNC machining, complex sheet metal fabrication, precision metal casting, and various surface finishing, such as sandblasting, anodizing, plating, etc. From rapid prototyping to low-volume production, we can customize solutions based on your product life cycle. If you have any processing needs, feel free to contact us. See you in the next video.